Hello, welcome to my PSM2 demo video presentation. My project is the HyperAgile Collaborative Testing Tool, and Dr. Adila is my supervisor. So, for my system, it's built on Spring Boot and Thymeleaf for the front end and integrates with the Hyperledger Fabric blockchain through RESTful API. There are four main modules. The first one is user management, then we have role management, then we have test case management, and finally we have a notification email, which uses SMTP. So, for the first one, let's log in to admin. Once you log in into the system, this is the admin dashboard. Now, admin has access to roles and user. Let's move to roles. In the roles tab, you can search for the roles. Let's say tester. You'll see that tester appears. And the admin can also create new role. Let's create a role in A. And let's add in the description. Once done, just click create. You can see that QA is successfully added to the role list. Now, let's say we want to edit. We click save. You can see that it's changed. So let's say the admin wants to delete role. A delete pop-up confirmation will appear. Admin just needs to click yes, and you can see that the role is deleted. Let's move on to the user module. You can see user has the same UI as the role, where we can search for the user with tester. Tester appears in the search. Then when we add new user, we just need to create a new name, add in the email, and select their role. Once filling is done, just click save user. You can see that the new user is added and the email will be sent to each Gmail account. Now let's edit. And once you edit it, just click update user. And you can see that the name is updated. So for this, let's test to delete. Delete confirmation pop-up is shown. Just click on delete, and the user is deleted. Now let's check the forget password. So for forget password, you just need to click forget password, enter email, and send reset password. You can see that the reset link is sent to my email. Now let's just open the email. And you can see that the reset link is sent. Just click on the reset link. Here you can set in the new password. Let's set in 7 digits. Just click reset password. Password is successfully reset. Now let's try logging in again. 0, 1, 2. There. You have successfully logged in. Now, obviously, we can also change the password here. We can change and just click submit once you have changed the password. You can see that password has successfully changed. Just log out and try again. There, the changed password is successfully updated. All right, let's move on to the test case module. So for the test case module, we have two types of user. One is the tester, and the other one is project manager, stakeholder, and the rest. So let's log in as tester. Once logged in, just click test case, and you'll see the test case dashboard. On top here, we can see that we have several status of the test case if you click approve. the approved test case will be shown. Pending test case, and rejected test case. So now let's create a new test case. Click Add. This is the test case form. Let's create a new test case. Date, let's select date. And deadline, let's put it as okay. Now we'll be selecting two types of user. One is manager, the other one is tester. Let's add in some stats. After you're done creating, just click create. And here you can see that test case is successfully created. If you want to see more details about the test case, just click details. And this is the test case details page. See that this is the test case that we created just now. Let's go back to list. Now, once the test case is successfully created, users will receive an email that they are got assigned to the test case, like this. Okay. How about we edit the test case? So let's put this as version 2, demo test case, set, and just click update. Now, once the test case is successfully updated, the users will receive a new email like this: test case updated, demo test case edited, and they'll have the details of the test case in the email. Now let's try deleting the test case. Let's delete this. Just click yes. You can see that the test case has been successfully deleted. Now, to approve the test case, let's go to the manager's account. In the manager's account, once you click test case, he can view all the test cases that is involved in. For the test case we did just now, which is demo test case edited, let's set the status to approved and click set status. Once status is successfully set, you can go back to your Gmail, and then you can see here that the overall status has been approved. And also, you can click into the details of the test case and view the approved test case. How about if the manager wants to reject the test case? Just click reject and type in the reason. Click OK and set status. Now you can see that the status has changed to rejected. And once you click in details, you can see the rejected reason and the username that rejected it. In the email, we will also receive that this test case has been rejected and the reason for rejection. So that is all for my PSM2 demo video for HyperAgile Collaborative Testing Tool system. Thank you.